Hello everyone, let's learn how to upload YouTube Shorts from mobile. YouTube Shorts are short videos similar to Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. They are slowly becoming quite popular and generate many views. If you like creating video content, you can publish your own YouTube short videos from Android, iPhone, or a computer. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open YouTube app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, to upload a short, click on plus button on the bottom of the screen. Then go on first option, create a short. Now allow these things that YouTube asks of you. You can recording a video right now by tapping on this red button, or you can upload a video from your gallery by tapping on little square button in the bottom left corner. Now select the video from your gallery to upload it. On this menu you can shorten the video. And when you finish, go on next in bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on this true button in the bottom right corner, and next go on next button in the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to add a title on this video. You can add location of this video, you can select the audience on this video, and bunch of things. When you finish all the steps, click on upload a short on the bottom of the screen, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.